Hi, welcome to my first video. So today we'll be fixing a set of rear taillights on a 2004 STI. So they were leaking and letting a little bit of water in when just sitting. So first we're going to take some isopropyl alcohol and rub around the seam where the lens attaches to the back housing of the taillight. Once we're done degreasing the lens, next step is to mask off around the edge to make sure that the least amount of sealant gets onto the outside of the lens. So essentially, if there's too much of that sealant on the outside of the lens, it's basically just going to peel off, and then if you pressure wash it, it's just going to flake right off and rip right out of the seam. Now that we're done masking off the lens, now I'm going to use the Permatex flowable windshield and glass sealant. So it seemed to work really well and flow right into the crack and adhere pretty well to the plastic. So far this fix has probably lasted about a year and a half, and I think it cost $6 Canadian for that tube. So it's a lot cheaper than trying to spend a little bit of money and buy new rear taillights. Now with all the sealant put on, now I'm just going around and removing all the masking tape and making sure to wipe off any excess that's gotten onto the lens where it shouldn't have. And after that, just basically repeat it for the second lens, and that's probably the cheapest way to fix leaking taillights without having to buy new ones. And that's it for the video. Thanks for watching, and if you liked the video, please subscribe. There's going to be a lot more coming out. So there's going to be a workbench video, some videos on a couple Honda Odysseys, and then a turbo C10 build here in probably the next year. Like and subscribe. Thanks.